Chirp, a sort of bird from Timbuctoo, by Roger Hargreaves. Chirp was a sort of bird, a Timbuctoo bird. He lived in Featherbed Cottage, high up in the branch of a tree, in Timbuctoo. This was a bit awkward for Chirp, because, you see, he couldn't fly. He knew he was supposed to fly, but he couldn't. He never learned how to. Mind you, he tried. He'd stood outside Featherbed Cottage and shut his eyes, and jumped, and... crash! Poor Chirp. He went to see his friend Oink about it. Oink was a sort of pig. "Oh, I wish I could fly," said Chirp to Oink, "but I don't know how to." "Well," said Oink, thinking, "if I wanted to fly, I'd flap my ears." "But I don't have any ears," said Chirp. "Anyway, pigs aren't supposed to fly." Oink thought again. "Well," he said at last, for he was a slow-thinking pig, "I think you're supposed to flap something. Come on." So Oink and Chirp went back to Featherbed Cottage. Chirp climbed up the ladder to his front door. He'd always been a bit ashamed of that ladder. He stood on the branch. "Come on," cried Oink. "Try flapping your legs." Chirp shut his eyes and flapped his legs and jumped and crash! "Oh dear," said Oink. "Flapping your legs didn't work, did it?" Chirp groaned. "Ooh! Tell you what," went on slow-thinking Oink, "I'll go home and come back tomorrow when I've had time to think what it is you're supposed to flap for you to fly." Poor Chirp, he climbed slowly back up his ladder and sat in a chair in Featherbed Cottage, feeling very sorry for himself. A tear trickled down his cheek. "Oh dear," he sighed. "I do wish I could fly." The following day was bright and sunny, and Chirp was up bright and early, waiting for his friend Oink. He saw him coming through the woods. "Hello!" shouted Chirp. "Hello, Oink!" and waved both his arms. "Hello, Chirp!" called Oink back. "I got it! I know why it is you're supposed to flap so you can fly!" Chirp was so excited to hear this, he kept on waving his arms and jumped up and down on the branch. In fact, he was so excited, do you know what? He fell off, and because he was still waving to Oink, guess what happened? That's right, he was flying. Flying! Whee! He cried. Whee! And he flew through the air. "You were saying?" he called down to Oink. "Yes," called Oink in great excitement. "I was saying that I know what you're supposed to flap so you can fly." "What is it?" called Chirp as he flapped his arms and flew through the air. "Your beak!" called Oink. "You're supposed to flap your beak!" "Okay, I'll try it." Whoa! Flapping my arms seems to work better. Won't you say, Oink?